Ты увеличила, да?
Да.
So let's test it. First try. Остановились. Oh. So the second one.
That's it.
That's here. So that's it. That seems pretty easy and nice. There's some leaking actually on the bottom, of course.
What did you think?
Yeah, but still, you feel it, so you have to take care of it, or your wife. Yeah, your wife. Yeah, so that's it. Cheers.
How does it smell?
The tea smells like a wild strawberry. Actually, it smells fine. Not. Yeah, let's do second round to make it more taste. This tea came with this tea station.
Tea bags.
Tea bags.
What are those white things on the top?
Don't ask question. It's some other plastic.
It's tea.
White tea.
Never mind.
So, yeah, like this. Yeah. Again, it's leaking anyway. So, yeah, and it's plastic. That's not really healthy. We are not going to die after 2 cups of tea from this, but are we going to return it?
Probably yes. I'm puzzling it.
But how? What will be your decision? Based on what?
Based on cleaning it.
Hmm?
Based on cleaning it.
Oh, you want to try and it anyway?
Yeah.
And see how dirty it's going to be. Okay, let's try it and see.
But then again, I have to do some research because I don't think plastic is good with tea. So.
With hot water, doesn't matter. It's tea or something.
And
Okay.
also, it's making squeaky noises.
We can put WD-40 here. Yeah, that's still not
Okay,
good.
bye.